What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to get mods on Gorilla Tag. So firstly go to GitHub and search for Monk Mod Manager Gorilla Tag. Open the repository by double-clicking and scroll down to the page and look for download link, usually a zip file. Download it and then extract it and open the extracted folder. Double-click the monkey mod manager.exe and if Windows shows a warning, click more info then run away. When Monk Mod Manager opens, it usually automatically detects where Gorilla Tag is installed. If it does not detect the game, click Browse and navigate to the folder. Now, inside Monk Mod Manager, you'll see a list of mods. Automatic dependencies, like when you select a mod, the manager will automatically select required mods. These dependencies cannot be deselected, and this prevents crashes and missing files. This is normal behavior. Now some mods appear in the red text. These mods change gameplay mechanics, give unfair advantages, and are considered cheats. Using them in public lobbies is guaranteed ban, and private lobbies still risky. Even testing them briefly in public can get your account banned, so be careful. Now click Install and Update and wait for the process to finish. Do not close the program, and when complete, close Monk Mod Manager. Start Gorilla Tag, put your VR headset and load into the game. If it's installed correctly, a mod menu or mod loader message will appear. Mods should work immediately. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.